How to make a hotspot on iPhone. Here's exactly how to turn your iPhone into a personal hotspot. Step 1. Go to your Settings app, then tap Cellular or Mobile Data depending on your region. Step 2. Under Cellular Settings, tap Personal Hotspot. If you don't see it, make sure cellular data is turned on and your carrier supports hotspot. Step 3. Toggle on Allow Others to Join. This activates your iPhone's Wi-Fi hotspot. The network name and password are shown right below. Step 4. On your other phone, tablet, or laptop, turn on Wi-Fi, look for your iPhone's name in the list, and enter the hotspot password. Step 5. This is optional, but you can change your hotspot password. Tap Wi-Fi password under the same menu. Make sure it's at least 8 characters. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.